Y'all, welcome back to another video, and today we got Rhonda, big Rhonda outside, and we're gonna be doing a cold start as requested by one of my loyal subscribers. So if you want to request a video, you can just comment right down below and I'll see them. So yeah, she's been sitting there for about 2 full days, so she should sound pretty nice whenever we get her started. And the exhaust is actually located see right there? Yep, right there. Okay guys, I'm actually taking my phone on a tripod. I'm gonna put it right under the truck, right at the exhaust, right where the exhaust comes out. And this camera that I'm holding right now is gonna go back outside of the truck, so you can hear kind of what it sounds like right at the exhaust with this camera, and then outside of the truck area with this camera. All right, so here we go. Let's get her started up. Truck kitty. It's truck kitty, guys. Okay, here we go. Did you hear that? Ho ho ho! She sounds so good, guys. That was a good cold start. Probably the best one I've done on this channel because it just sounds so mean and sounds like a motorcycle. It just keeps chopping and chopping. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, till next time, you can comment down below what videos you want, and I'll get them if I can. So, see y'all later.